Hi Wonder Class, and welcome to our maths lesson on Friday the 26th of February 2021. So starting off for our lesson today with your arithmetic, remember you can pause the screen, have a go at completing the questions and time yourself to see if you can beat yesterday's time. So I'm going to read out the questions to you to start off. So we've got 3 times 7. Number 2, 4,563 add 5,436. Number 3, what is today's date as a Roman numeral? Number 4, 7 over 12 add 21 over 12. Number 5, 5 times 7. Number 6, 32 divided by 4. Number 7, what is 15 millimeters in centimeters? Number 8, what is 1,200 meters in kilometers? Number 9, what is 2:15 p.m. on a 24-hour clock? And number 10, 36 divided by 12. So pause the screen at this point, have a go at the questions. When you press play, I will then show you the answers. Okay, so here are the answers to your questions. So number 1, 27. Number 2, 9,999. Number 3, for the today's date, we've got XXVI, 111, MMXXI. Number 4, 28 over 12, which is 2 wholes. Number 5 is 35. Number 6 is 8. Number 7 is 1.5 centimeters. Number 8, 1.2 kilometers. Number 9 is 14:15, so 2:15, but 24 hours it's 14:15. And number 10 is 3. Let's see what we're going to be learning in today's lesson. So today's lesson is can I use fractions to calculate quantities? So let's have a look at the first question. So it says which one is different? So what you need to do is work all of them out to find out which one is different. So here you can have a pause of the screen to see if you can work it out, and then when you press play, I will then go through it with you. So give yourself a moment. Remember to pause the screen here because I'm going to carry on talking. Okay, so let's have a look how we would work it out. So we need to work out each of these questions. So we need to do half of 48. So half of 48 is 24. 2/3 of 36. So we need to work this out here. 2/3 of 36 is also 24. 1/10 of 240 is 24. 3/4 of 32 is 24. And here we've got 1/5 of 115. So how many times can we get 5 into 115? Now, to work this one out, the answer is 23. So which one is the odd one out? It's going to be 1/5 of 115 because it's all the rest of the answers are 24 and this one is actually 23. So here we have a question. It says if 1/5 is worth 4, what is 1 whole worth? So we're going to take it step by step to work this out. I'm just going to make the screen a little bit larger for us to see. Okay, so here we've got, there are how many counters in one part? So there are 4 counters in one part. And we know that this is showing us 1/5. So 1/5 of counters here, so we've got 4. Okay, so let's have a look at 2/5 of this. So 2/5, we're going to take 4 of these counters and 4 counters here. So now we're looking at 2/5. So 2/5 is this and this. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8 counters in here. Let's go to 3/5. So 3/5 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, so we've got 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we've got 12 counters. Sorry, 3/5. So this is 1/5, 2/5, and 3/5. Sorry, guys. Let's go to 4/5. So now we're going to find out what's 4/5. How many do we need to put in here? So we need to put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we've got 12 counters, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are actually trying to find out what is 1 whole worth. So now we're going to add another 4 into here. And this is going to give us our whole. So if 4/5 is 16, let's count on from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 counters. So what is 1 whole worth? 1 whole is worth 20 counters. Okay, so here we've got, there are 7 counters in one part. So let's work these out together. So we've got 1/4 is here. So we've got, it's over 4, so it's split into 4 segments. So 1/4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 counters. What about 2/4? So 2 over 4. So we've got 7 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we've got 14 counters. 3/4, so is over here. So we're going to count now on from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And a whole 4/4. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 counters. So there we have worked it out by looking at the segment pieces. So 1/5 of a bag of potatoes is 3 potatoes. Use a bar model and counters to work out how many potatoes are in a whole bag. So that's 1/5 of the bag, and we need to work out the whole bag. So 2/5 is going to be another 3, and 3/5 is going to be another 3, and 4/5 will be another 3, and 5/5 will be another 3. So let's count how many we've got. We've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So the answer will be 15 counters. So your task for today's lesson is to carry out these questions. Just make my screen a little bit smaller, you'll be able to see it. So it's complete the number sentences. So 1/4 of 20 equals how many? So you're going to be using the blocks and the bar model that's split out using the denominator to work these questions out for you. Task number 2 is a worded problem question. It starts off with, Philip has a chocolate bar with 5 equal pieces. The chocolate bar weighs 60 grams. What is the mass of one piece? So have a go at carrying out these questions as well. How would we work it out? And task number 3 is match the calculations to the answer and write each calculation in the correct circle. So have a go at completing these questions. Upload your work onto Tapestry, and we'll definitely go through this in our live lesson for Monday. Oh, no, sorry, we won't actually go through this in our live lesson, but I will give you your feedback on Tapestry for this week because this is our Friday's lesson. That's all from me today, guys, and I look forward to seeing your work on Tapestry. Remember to look over your notes from the previous lesson to help you with the scaffolding of this lesson. Bye, everyone.